Alright, now this is a video on the easiest way to put a tire on. So there's a trick to it, and if you learn it, do it in no time. Get your little lube, get her lubed up. Good loose. It's important to use a Pirelli. It's the best. Alright, now what you do, you take it, and if you get it lined up just right, and it's not easy. It takes a little practice, but if you really pay attention to it, get it right about there, right in the middle. Make sure you lock your wheel on. Get it right there. You take it. Get that feel for it. Go up. And we're going to go on. Alright, you ready? Let's do the master of work. Woo! If I look a little sweatier, it's because that's how much force I put slamming this tire on this wheel. And you can also notice, even when I press myself sometimes, you see it's already full of air. So I slammed it down so hard, superheated the air in there, popped it right on the bead. It's that easy. Next time the tire guy is taking like 5 minutes to change a tire, go over there and give him a hard time. Be like, bro, I'm gonna do this in like 30 seconds. Alright? Like, what are you doing? What are you doing over here? Look at that. Beautiful.